As per our torrential slide cost expectation, the AVAX cost ought to run between $16 to $36 in 2023. Avalanche is anticipated to raise a ruckus around town mark by 2025. In view of a VAX cost expectation, the coin can exchange a scope of $41 to $60 for 2025. Our torrential slide coin cost expectation for 2030 proposes that the coin's typical cost might be around $145, while the base and most extreme costs might be around $118 and $170 separately. Presently, torrential slide is exchanging around $16, which is practically 7% down from the last week. Be that as it may, in the beyond 24 hours, AVAX has recuperated possibly. There is a marginally negative feeling on the lookout. Yet the drawn-out opinion stays bullish, and AVAX could hit $50 in 2025. On the off chance that you are searching for a torrential slide value expectation or conjecture, our inside and out investigation intends to respond to your inquiries like, is torrential slide a wise speculation? Will AVAX reach $100? How high can torrential slide cost go? Before we start with an itemized torrential slide cost expectation, we should jump into the coin's outline. The outline of torrential slide is a seed thought that was conceptualized by Cornell specialist Emin Gunsire in September 2020, principally putting together the stage with respect to blockchain calculations essentially to resolve the issues of sped-up, decentralization, and security. But this sort of strong blockchain innovation, the torrential slide network will go about as a huge power promoter demonstrating progressive in the realm of installment, as an impetus to empower quick-fire exchanges in the worldwide installment environment. Torrential slide will carry revolutionary change to fun. The torrential slide biological system is completely viable with Ethereum resources, applications, and devices with quicker speeds, higher throughput orders, and lower charges. It is an umbrella stage for sending off DeFi applications, resources, exchanging, and different administrations for blockchain designers. It permits anybody to send off or exchange any type of resource and control it a decentralized way utilizing savvy contracts and other cutting-edge innovation. An essential contrast between torrential slide blockchain and other blockchain stages is its administration component. Marking rewards are dependent upon dynamic changes as the framework develops. Torrential slide. The innate likely without a doubt, the torrential slide blockchain has extraordinary potential and will more often than not be the most appealing digital currency, basically for its local token. AVAX, which guarantees high exchange security combined with speed scaling a trillion every second. No big surprise the consistently dynamic group of qualified mathematicians and cryptographers is creating and keeping up with the torrential slide digital money, arising as an incredibly unique and dynamic power. AVAX will be the pick and selection of brokers, particularly on the grounds that it has endured for the long haul. Likewise, financial backers have found a variable of unwavering quality implanted in this token. The badge of AVAX capabilities as a prizes and installment framework for clients. The digital currency value forecast is dependent upon the exhibition of the particular symbolics foundation, its headways, and the whole crypto market status. One can never know the specific future exhibition of any token. That being said, specialized examination, AVAX expectation, and different perceptions take care of business as a guide simultaneously. The ongoing cost of a VAX is around $16 with a market capitalization of $5,521,047,200. The 24 hours exchanging volume of the AVAX token is $101,600,023 with a coursing supply of 329,167,709 AVAX on the lookout. AVAX digital currency is greatly dependent on decentralized applications remaining in front of other state-of-the-art advances in the current decentralized blockchain networks. The torrential slide conjecture is absolutely subject to digital money market development. A blast time for torrential slide drives the value gauge to remain substantial on this record before very long. Made by Avalanche, this coin has endured for an extremely long period, so it is essential to realize that torrential slide's cost rise is sure before long. In any case, carry out your own groundwork to measure your gamble resilience. Torrential slide value expectation 2023 in view of our torrential slide cost forecast for the approaching year. The AVAX coin might have least and most extreme costs of $15.01 and $36.46. Separately, the adjustment of the cost is supposed to be over 140%. With a typical cost of $25.74. AVAX value forecast 2024 as per torrential slide cost expectation. It is assessed that the coin exchange between the scope of $30.76 to $44.28, where $30.76 is the base exchanging cost and $44.28 is the most extreme cost. Simultaneously, There are a couple of suppositions that the AVAX coin might have a typical cost of $37.52. Torrential Slide Value Forecast 2025. The Torrential Slide coin is supposed to have least and greatest costs of around $41.50 and $59.74 individually, according to our AVAX Cost Expectation 2025. While the typical cost may be $50.62, with a rate change of around 40%, Torrential Slide Coin Value Expectation 2026. According to our AVAX Cost Expectation, the coin might have a typical exchanging cost of $63.71, with a base and most extreme cost of $52.23 and $75.19. Separately, for the year 2026, the unpredictability of the torrential slide cost is supposed to be very less, according to our cost forecast. Torrential Slide Crypto Value Expectation 2027. In light of the AVAX cost forecast, our specialists recommend that the Torrential Slide digital money might exchange a scope of $64.34 and $92.62 for 2027, where the previous is the base cost and the last option is the most extreme. While the typical exchanging cost of Torrential Slide might be $78.48. AVAX Expectation 2028. Our AVAX cost estimate for the year 2028 proposes that the coin's typical cost might be $94.79, while the base and greatest costs might be around $77.71 and $111.87. Separately, simultaneously, the Torrential Slide Specialized Examination uncovers that the rate change might be half. AVAX Coin Value Expectation 2029. From our AVAX cost forecast, we can reason that the coin's cost might exchange at a normal of $116.44 for the year 2029, while the most minimal and greatest cost of the AVAX token for the year might be $95.46 and $137.42. Separately, Torrential Slide Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, our AVAX Cost Expectation 2030 shows that the possible high of Torrential Slide may be around $170.69, with a likely low of $118.57. The point-by-point Torrential Slide Cost Investigation uncovers the typical worth to be somewhere near $144.63. The market feelings oversee digital currencies. Thus, AVAX is no exemption. In light of verifiable information and specialized examination, there are many hypotheses going ahead for the Torrential Slide coin. All specialists have different Torrential Slide expectations to make through and through. In view of a VAX cost estimate, a drawn-out increment isn't normal. The cost guess for long-term end is $1.79. They accept that your ongoing speculation might be depreciated from here on out. Our 2023 Torrential Slide cost forecast says that a VAX will begin the year at $123 and reach $283 halfway as the year progresses. The coin expects a maximum cost of $327 and a min cost of $139 in 2023. What is the eventual fate of Torrential Slide coins? As indicated by